Hi everybody, my name is Gabriel Montaño and I am a student of industrial engineering, and today I'm going to talk you about one of the most used material in the world, not to say the most used in buildings, cars, airplanes, tools, and more or less all what you see diary in your life. It is the material that this object is made, the steel. Well, the steel is not a material like the iron, the copper, the aluminum, or the gold. No, the steel is an alloy between the iron and the carbon, which this last one is dissolved 2.1% in the iron. Also has alloy with different elements. So that's the reason because is 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 used in most of the industries because the iron and the carbon are are in mass in the crust. So we are going to talk now about the process of production of the steel. The process of production of the steel is done in powerful furnaces in which metals are kept in liquid state, which we call smelting. The meat then mix them and pour the mixture in a mold for further cooling. The steel has characteristics that depends of its alloy, but most of them has the following. Its boiling point is around the 3000 Celsius grade. It's a tenacious material, especially if it's used to make tools. Alloys wire making is ductile. It, it has a high electrical conductivity and is malleable. Specifically, the steel have more than 30 alloy with other materials that modify its properties in different modes for adapt to the necessity of its use. I have some examples of these alloys. The manganese. The manganese facilitate the lamination and molding. The alloy with chromium increases the hardening. With silicon, acts as an antioxidant. With copper, increases corrosion resistance. Steel can be classified according to its final mode of use. Molded steel lets it cool in a mold. Forged steel, it heats up models and cools in a forge. Laminated steel, it is made more or less thick and flat sheets. If the alloy element is more or less common like the carbon, we know as ordinary steels, and special steels made with other elements that stainless steel. The steel has a variety of uses. We can find in almost everywhere. In machine pieces of cars, in a bodywork of cars, also in agricultural machines, military armament, and industrial technology. Also in some tools like screw, nut, or weld. And in our house, as I show you, you can find in the fork, in cutlery, cooking pots or pans. These are some objects that we see in our daily life. So uh, they still are in all what you can see. Finally, the steel is the material most recycled in the world. We see daily now how the cars that end their useful life uh, uh, are coming to a a scrap yard, how the frying pans that do not work more are, or any object that are made with steel and do not work more, we discard it, and this waste we call as as a scrap metal, and the persons use the scrap metal to do new products for us. Thank you.